Today in this video, guys, I want to show you how to sign up for MEXC Exchange and claim sign-up bonus from $20 up to $800. Irrespective of your country, wherever you're watching this video from, you are all eligible to sign up for it and claim your bonus. Aside that, MEXC is one of the best crypto app I can recommend for anyone wherever you are watching this video from. According to SimilarWeb, MEXC have monthly visits of up to 26.4 monthly visits from top countries like Japan, Brazil, Philippines, South Africa, and Russia. So either you're watching me from Nigeria or any part of Africa countries or anywhere in the world, I want to show you how to sign up for MEXC Exchange and claim your bonus and verify your account. The first thing you have to do for me is to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video, drop your comment, and please share this video because there are many people outside there looking for opportunities. Another thing you have to do is to check the pinned comment or description to this video. You will see my link, and that is what will actually help you to claim your sign-up bonus. To claim your sign-up bonus, you have to make use of referral link, and it is in my pinned comment or description to this video. So when you click on it, it will take you straight to your browser. Then you can sign up for MEXC account. Alternative method is to go to Play Store, as you are seeing it from here now, then search for MEXC just like this. So when you see it like this, you are going to see install here instead of open. So when it's successfully installed, then click on this open. Now the next thing to do is to click on this sign up button. Click on allow. Then you can use either your email or mobile number to sign up. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use email. Then put your email here. The password you want to use, put it here. So I have put the email. Now the password. The password, now make sure you check this. You have to follow up this instruction given you in order to get the right password. Then to claim your $20 bonus just to sign up, come to this place. You see referral code here. Now click on it. Click on it. Then put your referral code here. Now I have put the referral code here. I will put it on my screen also, or check the pinned comment. You see the referral code here. But if you use your browser, click on the link, automatically you don't need to be typing this. So it helps. And I usually recommend people to use their browser to sign up. You can later install the app and log in instead of creating an account through the app. So if I use the app now to sign up, that's why I'm just using this one so that you can see how simple it is. Now the next thing is to click on sign up to claim $20. Then please make sure you tick this place before you click on sign up. So I'm clicking on sign up to claim $20 now. It's still loading. Slide to complete the puzzle. So what I will do now is to drag this such that this image here will come to meet this one and it should match. So I'm going to drag this now to this place to ensure this one match. So I will drag this now, dragging. It has reached there. Then I release my hand. Oh, verification success. So verification now, they have sent the code now to this email address I provided. So I need to open my email now to get the code. So here is the code. I need to copy it. Then I copy. So when I put the code, the thing just take me straight to this. That code, I put it there and it take me straight to this. So it has signed up successfully for me now. So the next thing now is to verify our account. And how are we going to do that? Just come to this place. Come to this place. Then click on it. That Uma avatar something. Click on it. Then you see option to verify here. Now click it. So now you have to do your KYC now. Now click on verify. So you have to put proof of identity and facial verification. So click on start verification. So ID issuing country region is showing Nigeria because of my IP showing Nigeria. So I don't know your own country now. It will show your own country you're using. So which of the ID do you want to use? Is it ID card, passport, or driver license? So which one? I don't know how it's showing in your own country. It may be different from my own country. But as for Nigerian watching this, probably by now you should be seeing these three options. So you can click on anyone, maybe passport. Then when selected, then click on next. Oh, great. So from here now you can read through the instruction. Then come here. Make sure you read through the instruction. Then click on this upload this or something like that. Upload a photo of the front of your ID. So click it. Then click on. It's either we are given two options. It's either you take picture, like you snap it using this camera, you snap it, or you do what, or you already have it on your media in your phone. Then you click on album to upload it. Okay, maybe I should just click on take picture first. Take pictures. Then you see option given me here now. You need to allow camera permission okay, something like that. Click on authorize, then I click on allow. Are you seeing now? So it's telling me now that maybe I have my passport here now, right? Maybe I have my passport here now. I can just use it to snap the passport. Do you get it now? So let me come back. Or if I want to upload it now, click on it again, then click on upload. So it will upload it, then they will give you maybe within 24 hours to verify your account. Let me forfeit this. So I just use this one to train you anyway. So the next thing to do now is to come to this security here. Now you need to set your, email is verified. Now you need to set your Google Authenticator, mobile verification also, you have to verify it. You put your phone number there, they will send code, and you will verify it. That's just so simple. Then Google Authenticator, now click on Google Authenticator. Download Google Authenticator. On your phone, you should have Google Authenticator. If you don't, you can easily click here now to download Google Authenticator. Right, so now click on next from here. So this one now, okay, let me show you my Google Authenticator. So this Google Authenticator, you can come here now, just click on this plus, click on this plus. That is if you are using your mobile phone. Maybe, okay, if you are doing this thing now on your laptop now, you can click on plus. If not on your laptop, click on plus. When click on plus, if you are using laptop and they will give you barcode, you can click on scan, and you position it to that barcode, it will capture it and automatically it's going to verify it. That is one method. Another method is to use this enter key here. Now click on this enter is setup key. Then code name, now you can put MEXC something, maybe MEXC is okay. Then your key, let's go and look for the key here. I think I saw the key here. Now look at it. Now you can copy this key, you can copy it here. Click on this copy. So when I click on copy, you can come here now, this here now paste the key there. That's all. Then click on add. That's all. Okay, let me even click it to train you guys. So I click on add. So now let me go and look for MEXC, or let me search it here and type MEXC. This is my own real MEXC, don't mind it, but the one I'm using to train you is this one. So the next thing now is, let me come here, then I'm going to click on link. I'll click on link. So click on link. Oh, when click on link now, the next thing now is to click on this get code. I click on get code here. Click on get code. They want to confirm this. So on my email I provided now, they will send me code to verify that I am the one trying to authorize this with the Google Authenticator. Oh, great. So now this verification code. Now look at the email given me here now. Welcome to MEXC something. Click to unlock 8,000 USDT. So you also receive something like that. This email sent. You have to check all those things. But let me work on this one. I'll click on this one here now. So this is the code. Let me copy it. So here now I'll put the code here. Then Google Authenticator, that's the next thing. Let me go and check the Google Authenticator. So now look at it now. Before this thing runs down, I need to make use of this code fast. But you see that this thing is running down. Look at this one. You see? So you have to be very fast. If you know you cannot meet up, let it run and start afresh with new code. Oh, great. So 713553, 713553, 713553. Then click on submit. So that is how to do that one. The next thing I want to show you is come to settings. Click on settings and see things you can change here. I think I've given you basic things you have to do. So it's left with you any other things you want to set here. So doing that now will show that you have authenticated your account, and you can go and claim your bonus because they will mail you. So that is just the simple way on how to sign up for this and verify your account, then do your KYC, claim your bonus $20 and $800 anyone. So I believe every one of you have your MEXC account ready, and I believe it will be verified any moment from now. I still have many more videos to show you. If you have any concern with this video, there's any way you don't understand, please drop it for me in the comment section. I will respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do now. Give me a like on this video, turn on the notification bell, drop your comment, and please share this video. Then this video, I want you guys to go and watch this and this. Okay, I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.